Cyclone. Watch very carefully. You'll see Frank turn the smoke on, indicating that this will be a smoking flight. So please make sure the full upright is locked position. Let me tell you a little bit about this fantastic airplane. Steve Wolf designed this aircraft up in Oregon and built it. It's a one-of-a-kind show plane. Features technology from the 1920s and 30s, incorporating its welded steel tube fuselage, covered with a heat-shrunk Dacron fabric, powered by a but it also incorporates 21st century technology with that of the carbon fiber wing that can support the aircraft 20 times the force of gravity positive and 20 times the force of gravity negative. Now, Frank Ryder is no newcomer to the air show industry. He's flown air shows for more than 24 years. 19 of those years, Frank flew and thrilled millions in his highly modified 1954 de Havilland Chipmunk that has now been retired. Now, as he comes into Air Show Center, he pulls Velcro move. The only thing holding him in the cockpit right now is fear and Velcro. As he heads back out to Air Show Left, he'll bring back in for his signature New Orleans maneuver called the Lanyap Loop. It's a typical barnstormer inside loop with a little something extra on top. This is our 5th year of flying under the Oreck Corporation sponsorship. The makers of the 8-pound Oreck XL upright vacuum, the most powerful lightweight vacuum you can own in your own home. Let's watch as Frank comes in at over 200 miles an hour for the Lanyap Loop. Of gravity across the top. He throws in a left aileron roll, rolling the aircraft 360 degrees from upside down, back to upside down. Then he completes the second half of the inside barnstormer loop. The Lanyap Loop being flown by Frank Ryder. Right now, 5 times the force of gravity, 5 times your own weight, forcing you down in the seat. We should go up into an inside 5/8 loop. Now, Frank will select the gear handle to the up position on the Oreck XL Cyclone and put the wheels to the hammock. This is gear up on the airplane as he goes to the outside with a negative G's, trying to throw him outside of the airplane, up and over, another 5/8 of an outside loop. The inside, outside 8. Together, but it takes its lines from the air racing days that are long gone. Ladies and gentlemen, these are not precision aerobatic maneuvers. Don't be fooled. These are nothing more than cheap air show spurts to scrape the oil from your feet before you go home and get in your car. As Frank turns the airplane around and throttles back from becoming suborbital, he'll bring the airplane back in, maybe experiencing 65 to 70 times the force of gravity. The excess G is actually causing his bodily fluids to flow in reverse as he goes into a quadruple paradoxal dislocated shoulder roll to a full Nelson in a tight position we call the Skylar Slider. Standing the airplane on its tail and sliding sideways through the heavens. Throws in a couple of rolls just for good measure on the down line. Hey, Frank, are you with us? Hi, what's your dad? What's going on? Hey, well, looks like you're having a good time up there, but I'll tell you what. Are you ready to take the Oreck challenge? I'll tell you what, Doug. Beautiful day. I'm ready for about anything. Having a great time. Frank's going to come in for the 8-point hesitation slow roll. Let's count. There's 1, 2, 3, 6. Back to 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Sorry about that, Frank. I've got to learn not to hold the microphone and the radio without taking one of my shoes off. You'll be on now. Field Air Sports pilot Ken Gordon. Happy Father's to Be Day, guys. Let's watch for the 4-point hammerhead stall. He'll kick the rudder and stop the nose of the airplane 4 times. There's 1, 2 to the horizontal knife edge position, 3 to 45 degrees nose low, and 4 to the vertical as he comes downhill. He'll throw in a quarter roll and head back out to Air Show. top. Once the nose crosses the horizon upside down, 45 degrees nose low, he pushes forward on the stick and initiates a 1.5 aileron roll to the right side. So much. You find folks down at Airshow left, he'll duplicate it. Again, a good 5 times the force of gravity. Push side down to right side up. Now watch as Frank goes out. Airshow right. Slowly goes out. He goes up with his 2 vertical screw rolls. On the top, he'll flatten the airplane out and try to get it to go into an upright flat spin. Let's watch. The torque of the engine causes the nose to spin around. The wings level to the horizon, and he spins on the down line, headed back to Earth. Trading altitude for airspeed and looking at over. Keeps a lot of air. You've seen the Blue Angel Diamond? How about a cheaper version? A cubic zirconium loop. Here we go, up into the heavens, stopping the nose 8 times around. There's 4 across the top. 5 will be a 45 nose low inverted position. 6 to the vertical. 7 another 45 degrees nose low. He it up, making a big beautiful stop sign in the sky, reminding you to stop by the Oreck Flight Team 10 and test pulls the airplane 270 degrees to the first of the 4-point roll. To the left night bed, there's 1. To the inverted position, there's 2. To the right night bed, is 4. A 4-point, 270 degrees, hesitation slow roll. Turn to Phyllis Cousins, and a car back to Glenn Vincent. Again, he's going to go and demonstrate the almost a mile-a-minute rate of climb of Cyclone as he goes into a climbing, ever-tightening spiral turn. Gets it up to the top. He'll actually stand the airplane on its tail. Continue to rotate around in a vertical roll. Come to a complete stop. Shift into reverse and back down through his own smoke. 2.5 airplane lengths. Gravity finally winning this game. And he heads back downhill in the beautiful Cyclone. Let's go back up into the cockpit with Frank and see if he's ready to take another orange challenge. Hey, Frank, are you still with us? I'm still with you, Doug. Hey, having a great time. What a wonderful day for an air show.
I got to tell you, I was around this morning when Scott Hammack was making his run this morning. And I got to tell you, I hope that Frank has got a spare through the loops up there with him, because when Scott Hammack goes by, it's not going to be in a slow manner at all.
Well, here's the smoke and thunder now, Gord. Yeah, but let me tell you what, Scott Hammack may have that very powerful jet engine, but Frank Ryder started something. From a standing still stop, is that correct?
Oh yeah, but let me give you a clue. Are you listening to the background music there, Doug?
I hear that.
The good, the bad. I'm not going to tell you which one's which.
Well, folks, I think Scott Hammack is going to be severely handicapped. He's got to start the race from a standing still stop.
Here comes Frank Ryder, and Scotty's ready.
Here we go,
and they are rolling. They're fucking up running, coming from the wing.
That was awesome.
I don't like. I want to protest this race, Gordon.
What's that, a victory roll before the finish?
No. No, what I saw that I didn't like was the fact that Scott Hammack was still out accelerating the aircraft with a full braking power.